3 easy methods to make money on Facebook. We all know and agree that Facebook is undoubtedly one of the biggest social media platforms ever created. With over 2 billion users around the world, there are lots of money to be made with Facebook. It has helped a lot of businesses of any size reach their target market. It has virtually become an online marketplace for anything under the sun. In this video, you will learn about some of the ways on how you can make a decent side income with Facebook. You might even come up with another bright idea based on the information you will get here that could possibly turn you into the next big thing. Is there money on Facebook? Yes. That's a big resounding yes. You can earn from Facebook in various ways, and that's what we are going to show you. So sit back, relax, and open your mind. We must tell you though that for any of these ways to work, you need to be willing and ready to put a lot of effort into it, and if executed correctly, you will surely enjoy hefty financial rewards. Facebook changed the way we communicate with people around the world. It has revolutionized the way we receive information, from personal posts, to news, to opinions, and more. It has become a powerful tool that can potentially create or destroy a nation. That's how powerful it has become. And its power is so visible in all aspects of marketing and advertising. Businesses and individuals from around the world use Facebook to sell their products and services. It's a powerful money-making machine available for anyone to use. You need at least one product or service in mind that you can promote and sell on this social media platform. To begin with, let's take a look at Facebook's marketplace. 1. Facebook Marketplace. The marketplace is one of the features on Facebook. This is one of the easiest ways on how you can find your customers or buyers and earn some extra cash. It is like a newspaper's classified ads section where you can sell anything and find anything for sale. You have to strictly follow some guidelines, and there are items you can't sell or promote on the marketplace, such as alcohol, illegal drugs, tobacco products, electronic cigarettes, firearms, animals, some healthcare products, and anything that has to do with gambling. The marketplace is also like a garage sale of pre-loved items, from clothes to gadgets to collectibles. Try promoting your product here and you will surely find takers and buyers. People browsing the marketplace have very limited attention span, so to effectively attract buyers, here are some reminders on how you can get more engagements on your posts with regards to what you are promoting or selling on the Facebook marketplace. The first thing that will catch your buyers' attention are your images. It is very important that your images are clear and nicely cropped. The details must be written clearly, like the condition of what you are selling, if it's a used one, and the price must be set fairly. Check the prices of similar products you are selling so you can decide on the right price. Buyers' satisfaction must be a priority so that they will keep on coming back for your offers. A lot of buyers will hustle with you, so be firm of the price you have set for your product. Giving a bit of discount is totally up to your better judgment. This is a great way to make some extra cash, and if you are using other platforms to sell your products or services. The marketplace is where you can find more buyers that can potentially turn into loyal customers. 2. Drive traffic to your website. Monetize content. If you have a website, a blog, or a YouTube channel, any online business that you have, Facebook is an amazing tool to attract potential customers. It is a simple process. You can start with a simple post with a nice description of your offer with an eye-catching image or images. Unlike using the marketplace, you don't sell to people directly on Facebook. Rather, you place a link on your post or image and takes people to an external site where they find your product or offer. Your goal here is to grab people's attention with your posts and take them directly to your online shop, blog site, or to another social media channel just like YouTube or Vimeo. If you have an online shop, you can place a link to your special offer or a particular product you are showcasing, like a bestseller perhaps. You can do this for all your products from your online shop. Just do it one at a time. Put a professionally made image, write an engaging caption, and to make it more attractive, create a discount code they can use, or simply a nice giveaway. If you have a blog site for some products you are selling or services you are offering, place a link to those articles. Do that every time you come up with a new one. A well-written article about a particular product is an effective way to encourage potential buyers to buy them right from your site. Just make sure you have checked all broken links and that every link you place on your article is working. Broken links is a turn-off for buyers. And once you lose one potential buyer, it would be hard to bring them back. First impressions last, so the cliché goes. This strategy is also effective if you have a monetized YouTube channel or any monetized content that you have on the net. All you need is post a link to every video you want to promote to get more qualified views and subscribers. Place a beautifully made image of your video to encourage people to click on the link. An important reminder is that posts are more open to the public if you will create a Facebook page to promote your business. And not just a personal account that is only accessible to your friends. Creating a Facebook page is a breeze. You can create a page within your personal account. Just click the Create button and simply follow the steps. 3. Facebook Boost. Boost is a term popularized by Facebook which simply means running an ad for your posts. This feature on the pages you create on Facebook allows you to increase views and engagements on your posts. You can easily set the budget which corresponds to a number of people your ad will reach. If you want more views and engagements, simply increase your ad budget. Once a post is boosted, it becomes a sponsored post. You can easily identify boosted posts that appear on your newsfeed when you see the word sponsored. Although this method is a bit pricey, it has proven very effective for many individual sellers and companies. This is where spending money earns you money. This will work well for you if you know how to set the various settings to target the receivers of these paid posts. You can set the age, location, interests, among others, so you can zero in on your target market. You can create 2 separate paid ads or boosted posts so you can test what is more effective for you. Depending on your goal, you can either boost your page to gain more likes and followers or simply boost one specific post on your page. Capturing email addresses has become a little easier through boosting because you can direct as many people as you can based on your ad budget to your opt-in or subscribe form, so you can send them your newsletters afterward. But some people won't easily give out their email addresses, so better have something to give for free. A gift, a discount code, access to a downloadable information in exchange for their email addresses. Don't forget to put a guarantee that you won't sell their information to any company without their consent. Besides, we all hate spam as much as they do. All of these boosting and spending will lead to views, engagements, inquiries, and then finally, sales. Please like, share, and hit the subscribe button. Then click the notification bell. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching.